to survive all by themselves. They weathered, that is, faced the great storm waiting in the ship's hold, that is, cargo space. The night passed by, and the ship survived. The family came in sight of a tropical desert, that is, no one living island. They decided to go there, but they had no boats. So they constructed a vessel, that is, a boat out of tubs, that is, wooden kegs. They filled the tubs with some food and ammunition, that is, weapons and other valuable things, and rowed to the island. They were accompanied by two dogs who swam with them alongside the vessel to the island. The Swiss family reached the island and began to build their first home, a tent with some grass on the floor as their beds. They arranged for some fire and food too. The father made several trips to the ship and brought back several important things as well as domestic animals to the island. Father and Fritz, the eldest son, traveled to the woods to explore the place and gathered valuable things.
Now on the digital board you have seen that um, how the family caught in a storm and what they do then. William, Elizabeth and their children had been traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm. William, Elizabeth and their children were traveling in a ship, and by their bad luck the ship was caught in a great storm. The other passengers evacuated without them. The other passengers escaped themselves without taking this family with them. William and his family, including the young children Fritz, Ernest, Jack and Franz, were left to survive alone. When the other passengers evacuated without taking them, William and his family, including their young children Fritz, Ernest, Jack and Franz, were left to survive alone. They have to face many difficulties to survive themselves, to save themselves. They weathered the great storm waiting in the ship's hold. They weathered, they weathered the storm by waiting in the ship's hold. The ship survived the night and the family found themselves within sight of a tropical desert island. The ship survived that night from the storm, but when the sun rises, the family found themselves within a sight of a tropical deserted island. The next morning, they decided to get to the island they could see beyond the reef. Then there is no way for the family to go anywhere, so they decided to get the island they could see beyond the reef. With much effort, they constructed a vessel out of the tubs. Then they used the material which was available on the ship for their survival. They used the tubs and made constructed a vessel, means a small boat. After they filled the tubs with food and ammunition and all other articles of value they could safely carry, they rowed toward the island. And when they filled the tubs, means when they filled the vessel with the food, some animation and some valuable articles which were important for them, they took that articles from the ship and they safely carry towards the island. Two dogs from the ship named Turk and Juno swam beside them. There were two dogs also on that ship named Turk and Juno. They also swam beside their boat. The ship's cargo of livestock, guns and powder, carpentry tools, books and disassembled pennants and proviances had also survived. Some important articles just like the livestock, guns and powder, carpentry tools, books, disassembled pennants means small boats, all these elements were survived with the family. Over the next few days, William father attached a portable old case to one another and built a bow that curved around them. Then, after next few days, William means the father of the family, attached the foldable old kegs to one another and built a bow that curved around them. The family had landed successfully on the island and thus taking the important material from the ship, the family successfully landed on the island. They set up a tent and softened the floor with armloads of grass. They cut and spread the turf, served as their beds. Then on the island they set up their tent and softened the floor with armloads of grass. They cut the grass and softened the floor. Thus they make their beds for sleep. They came to a grove of trees. Then they came to a grove of trees. Now we are going to see on the digital board.
For their survival, they found some gourds, and father suggested to cut them into various utensils like bowls and spoons. They later found some exotic, that is, rare plants, one with a waxy fruit from which they made candles so that during the night they could have some light. Fritz discovered a tree exuding, that is, giving out or emitting a rubbery sap, that is, gum, and father wondered if he could use it to make rubber boots. As their 10th house, that is, current camp was quite hot and dry during the day, Elizabeth, the mother, wanted a cool and safe house on a tree which would keep them away from the nuisance of the jackals. They soon found a tree for making their second home, which was 40 feet in diameter and had straight, broad branches. Father took this opportunity to teach his sons some applications of geometry, like how they can measure the big tree's height with the help of triangles. They calculated that the lowest branch was 30 feet above the ground. Then they made a ladder with a rope and pieces of.
They came to a grove of trees. One tree grew what looked like grouts on its trunk. Then they saw a one tree which has grouts on its trunk. The father told Fritz the grouts would make excellent bowls and spoons, and they cut them into various utensils. Father told Fritz that the grouts are very useful for them and they can make some bowls, excellent bowls and spoons out of the grouts. So they cut the grouts and make some useful utensils for them. After some days, Elizabeth informed William that she wanted the family to move to a safer place. But after some days, Elizabeth wanted that she moved her family to a safer place. Their current camp was not only exposed but also very dry and hot because the current camp where they were living was not only exposed, means they were living in the tents and it is exposed, so it is not safe for them, and she thought that it is very dry and hot too. If they built a house up in one of the large trees, they would be safe from jackals. She suggested her husband that if they built a house up in one of the large tree, if they build their house on one of the large tree, they will be safe from the jackals. She described a perfect tree for the project. Then they went and saw and searched for the perfect tree. Then she found a perfect tree for the project, one whose trunk was nearly 40 feet in diameter. She found a tree which trunk was 40 feet in diameter. The branches were very long and extended straight out from the trunk. The branches were very long and extended from the trunk, making them perfect platform for a structure. The tree was perfect platform for making their house. Later, when determining the height of the lowest branches, the father taught the boy geometry and how to use triangles to measure big objects. Then, when the father was preparing to make the house, the height of the lowest branch, he determined the height of the lowest branch and he taught their children the geometry and how to use the triangles to measure the big objects. He measured a defined distance from the trunk. Then he calculated angles using several measures rods. Then he measured the defined distance from the trunk. Then he calculated angles using several measured rods. Then he used some measure rods and calculated the angles, determining that the lowest branch was 30 feet off the ground. And he determined that the lowest branch of the from the ground should be 30 feet high.
Of bamboo. He also made a sledge to transport materials from driftwood. Soon the tree house was made, which was cool, safe, and breezy. It was going to be winter soon, so the father thought of creating a safe home to protect the family and their belongings from the harsh winter. Fritz gave an idea of living in a cave, but they were unable to find any cave, so together they carved a cave from a huge rock. They used tools like axes, chisels, hammers, and shovels. And in a few weeks, they cut a door and windows for air and sunlight. With collective efforts, the new home was ready with 4 rooms and a fireplace too. It was a perfect winter home. But this third home looked scary due to low light, so they hung a large oil lamp on a bamboo pole and rigged up, that is, arranged for a new light. One day, they found one of their huts completely destroyed by an elephant herd. Also, the field that they had cultivated was destroyed. Now they had to think of a new residence again. This time, they used 4 strong trees growing in a square near one another as the foundation. This was their 4th home, which couldn't be trampled by animals. 10 years passed by, and the young boys grew into young men. They named the tropical island.
The man knotted a rope at certain intervals and attached pieces of bamboo in each knot. Then the father knotted a rope at certain intervals and attached the pieces of bamboo and at each knot. Thus they created their ladder. In circus, you saw many times that there is a ladder of rope and some bamboo sticks. Such ladder is created by the father. Father returned to the beach and collected driftwood. Then father returned to the beach and collected driftwood, thinking it would be perfect to build a sledge. No on runners rather than wheels. Later they used it to transport materials. Father collected the driftwood and he think it was perfect to build a sledge, runners rather than wheels. Meanwhile, Elizabeth announced that the garden she had been tending was producing healthy plants. And at that moment, Elizabeth announced that the garden which she had been tending was producing healthy plants. Corn, melons, pumpkins and cucumbers were already growing. And in that garden, melons, pumpkins, cucumber and corns were growing. The next day only the father and Fritz travelled to the woods. Next day only father and Fritz went to the wood. Exploring and finding such exotic plants as one with waxy fruit. They were searching for the waxy fruit plants from which candles could be made, and they searched this plant for making candles. Fritz discovered a tree exuding a rubbery sap from which his father claimed that they could make boots. And when they were discovering for the wax fruit tree, Fritz by chance discovered a tree exuding rubbery sap, and father claimed him that they could make boots using the rubbery sap. Thinking ahead of the next winter, father decided to create a place safe from the elements. Then father think ahead for the winter season, how they save their family from the winter. He decided to create a place safe from the elements, a strong storage spot to protect themselves and their belongings. Fritz came up with the idea of a cave, and at that moment Fritz came up with the idea of a cave. Not finding one, they thought of carving out of their own cave in the rock, abutting their camping site. They searched very much, but they did not find any carving rock for their house. On the smooth face, then they find one rock which was, they thought, useful for the cutting of the house. On the smooth face of the rock, father marked the dimensions for an opening, and they pick away at the hard surface with their axes. And one of the smooth face of the rock, father marked dimensions for an opening for the door of the cave, and they pick away at the hard surface with their axes, and then they started to carve the door for the house. Chisels, hammers and slows. For that they took the help of chisel, hammers and slows. Over the next several days, the family cut windows in the rocks to allow for cross currents of air and for sunlight to enter the cave. Then after next several days, family cut some windows, then some cross current for air and sunlight to enter into their house. When they had finished, they had 4 rooms, and when they finished the cutting of their new house, they had 4 rooms complete with a fireplace. It is with a fireplace they now had a new winter home, and in this way they now had a new winter home to live safely and securely. And in our next period we will learn the next part of this lesson. Thank you.